Hi guys, Dawn Ginese here. I'm wearing a cat scarf today. I have to stick around to find out why. I'm going to be doing a little cooking and I'm going to be doing a little song, and it's a little message for you and your mama. Give it a like.
Can she bake an apple cherry pie? Billy boy, Billy boy. Can she bake an apple cherry pie? Charming Billy. She can bake an apple cherry pie as fast as a cat can wink his eye. She's mature and she's probably your mother.